Now, first warning weather with Chief Meteorologist Tom Messner.
All right, let's get back to our team coverage of this snowstorm headed our way.
NBC5's first warning, Chief Meteorologist Tom Messner and meteorologist Tyler Jankowski are tracking it tonight. Tom, let's start with you. What's the latest on this?
Well, the latest is it's been plenty cold around here, guys, so what we see is certainly going to be in the form of snow. How about this morning? Were you up early? It was brutal out there. 20 below Saranac Lake, 12 below Plattsburgh. It was 6 below in Burlington. It's not going to be that cold later tonight into the beginning of tomorrow, but certainly cold enough for snow. We have an alert day coming up, guys, and I want to tell you why that is. This is for tomorrow, which, by the way, is Groundhog Day. We're looking for snow. Some of that snow is going to be heavy, and we're going to find snow blowing around because the north wind is going to pick up. So we certainly are expecting difficult driving conditions. That includes not only the morning commute, but we think the evening commute as well. So here's Storm Tracker. We've got the snow coming from the south to the north. Bennington now saying, yep, we've got snow coming down. The leading edge of this, a lot of it has been evaporating because it has been so dry around here, but eventually we'll all be looking at snow. And you can see the movement coming from southern New England down toward New York City. And by the way, some of these cities getting absolutely pummeled. I think they're going to end up with some totals pushing 2 feet in some spots. For us, not so much snow, but not a bad system we've got to deal with here. I know many of the ski areas and a lot of folks want to get out on the snowmobile thinking this is a good thing. Well, meteorologist Tyler Jankowski is here. Tyler, how much are we thinking about for some of our areas here?
Well, Tom, I want to start out with areas to the south. So we'll start out with Rutland and then take a look at Lebanon, because I think for southern Vermont and southern New Hampshire, it's really the front end thump of snow, and then it kind of shuts down. So this here shows Rutland's accumulation, about 9 inches or so. Notice how most of it falls tomorrow morning, and then the graph really doesn't go up much. So that's the deal in Rutland, very similar as we head east along Route 4 over towards Lebanon, with about a half foot of snow, 7 inches. And again, most of that in Lebanon is tomorrow morning. However, if we move north and take a look at Burlington, the snow's really only getting going tomorrow morning at 5 a.m., say an inch or so. Of course, all the slippery is in the first inch, so it will be slick at 5 a.m. But notice how the graph gets bigger as the day goes on. So all through the day tomorrow, we're adding to the snow in Burlington, likely over a half foot, 8 inches or so, by the time all is said and done on Wednesday morning. And for Plattsburgh, it's even more than that. It should be a double-digit snowfall in Plattsburgh, about 10 inches by late tomorrow night and Wednesday morning. So it really takes all day to add up in the Champlain Valley. And just for fun, I want to show you where we think the jackpot will be. Dannemora, Lion Mountain, Ellenburg, all very similar. This graph represents the higher parts of western Clinton County. Easily a foot and a half, we think, by the time this thing wraps up on Wednesday morning. So it's a lot, Tom, all different magnitudes of it, depending on exactly where you are. And you'll have a map to wrap it all up.
Appreciate that. We'll give you the overview on the timing here. 8 o'clock tonight, it's all down to the south, but the movement is from south to north. It is going to take till overnight for the snow to show up in the Champlain Valley, which is why Tyler was just saying maybe an inch in the valley first thing tomorrow morning. But I think by the time we're doing the commute thing in the morning, it's going to be a little difficult to get around. And then we've got snow for a big chunk of the day, and a lot of that stays to the north. So I think the evening commute could be a headache. And even into nighttime, note how most of the action we're seeing is to the north here, because we're going to have a pretty stiff north wind even getting into Wednesday. So snow tapering to snow showers later in the day on Wednesday, and most of those end up in the mountains. So for tonight, we've got the snow coming from the south to the north. It's going to be cold, about 11 in the Champlain Valley. And then for tomorrow, it's an alert day. Snow, some of it is going to be heavy, and the snow is going to be blowing around. So again, trying to get around in your car, it's going to be tough. It's a general 6 to 12 inches of snow we're expected. There's the jackpot area in the Adirondacks that Tyler was talking about. We think over 12 inches also in the southern Green Mountains. 5-day forecast, alert day tomorrow, 28 degrees, snow tapering to snow showers on Wednesday. When we talk about that 6 to 12 inch total, that's really through Wednesday morning anyway. By the time we get to Thursday, we're clearing out. Some mixed rain and snow showers are possible on Friday. We'll watch that for you. Saturday looks okay, but Sunday, Monday, we may have another storm, guys. We will continue to watch that, but for now, we're going to focus on the one for tomorrow.